In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on a PDF. First, we need to start by visiting the Adobe Acrobat website. Open your web browser and type in acrobat.adobe.com. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign in with your account. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your credentials and click the Sign In button. This step is essential because it allows you to access your documents and manage permissions efficiently. After signing in, you will be directed to your Adobe Acrobat dashboard where all your PDFs are stored. From there, navigate to the PDF file that you previously set permissions on and want to change. You will see a list of your recent files or access a library of your documents. Click on the specific PDF you wish to modify. When it opens, you will see various options and tools available for editing and sharing. This is important because you need to ensure you're working with the correct document before making any changes. Next, look for the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. This button is often represented by an icon that looks like an arrow pointing upward. Clicking on this will open a menu that displays sharing options for your PDF. It's crucial to locate this button because it leads you to the permissions management area. Once you click Share, you will be taken to a new interface that allows you to see who has access to your document. Now, from the list of individuals who currently have access, click on the Manage option. This section provides you with details about the permissions assigned to each user. You will see options next to each name indicating their current access level. This step is significant as it allows you to make informed decisions about who can edit or view your PDF, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected. After that, select the account whose permissions you want to change. You will see choices such as Contributor, Reviewer, and View Only. Each of these roles offers different levels of access. For instance, a contributor can make edits, while a view-only user can only read the document. Choose the appropriate option that fits your needs. This is an important consideration because it helps maintain control over your document's integrity and prevents unauthorized changes. Alternatively, if you decide you no longer want to share the document with a specific account, you can opt to remove that account entirely. Click on the Remove option next to the user's name. This action ensures that they no longer have access to your PDF. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your document's privacy and security. Once you have made all necessary changes, you should see a confirmation indicating that the permissions have been updated. Then close the Permissions Management window after making your selections. The changes will automatically update, and you can return to your document. This final step ensures that your adjustments are saved and you can continue working with your PDF without any interruptions. Remember that to specifically change permissions for printing, editing, and copying, you will need the advanced security controls available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This concludes our tutorial on changing permissions on a PDF. You have learned how to navigate the Adobe Acrobat web interface, manage user access, and ensure your documents are secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.